Hey everyone, this is Navneet and you're watching Your DZINR. In this video, we are going to talk about the Figma and some settings of Figma, how you can make an amazing graphics inside the Figma and all. So let's deep dive into the Figma and see you how we can make it happen. So first of all, I just need to open the Figma. Here we are going to open it and we just need to create a new project into the Figma so that we can show you from scratch every single thing and you don't need to have any issue when it comes to Figma. Okay, so here we are going to click on this new design file and it is basically preparing a new like pages for us, and yeah, we are waiting for that. So it basically taking a bit time, so yeah. I don't know how much time it will take, but it should be open till now. Okay, so yeah, finally it opened, and today we are going to talk about Figma and yeah, some use case of Figma, how we can make something happen inside it. Okay, so basically it is also taking some more time to proper load in our display or in our laptop. Okay, so yeah, we are waiting for that as well, but before waiting, what I would prefer is to tell you something about the options and all, right? So here the first thing which we are having here is Figma, and here we can perform certain tasks from here, right? For example, we can take the new design file, right? We can take some new slide desk, right? We can take some images, right? We can like save some local copy in our desktop. We can export the things, okay, export the frames, right? And here edit section, here you are having some options, just like these are really basic options. If we just go and check it out, right, I'm not gonna spend too many time here because our main focus is to design something, right? So that's the reason. Just explore all these things. These are not really like rocket science. This is really basic things which you are maybe using on daily basis, or I can say on regular basis you are doing such tasks into your laptop. Okay, so if you are having the MacBook, then you must have such options here as well, right? What you are getting here now in your Windows laptop. If you are having the MacBook, then you are having such options here as well, so that you can do few certain tasks over here. Okay, the first thing, how we can name of this particular page or space. Okay, so here this is untitled. Here we are going to make it for demo for YT. Okay, and this is basically a page one. Okay, if you want to create more pages here, then we can like create more pages here, right? But for now I don't want to add any of the pages. This side here you can see the layers. Here you will get each and every layer of your designing, whatever you are creating. It's basically in the form of layers, and it will create a layer here. Okay, for example, if I'm talking about a rectangle, okay, then again one, right, and one. Then here you can see that there are 4 layers. Okay, and if you want to, if what I'm doing is, here I have given it a color, and again this color, then green color. Okay, right, so there we are having 4 rectangles with 4 pages, right? So for example, this is my second rectangle, okay, and I want to make it top. Then what we can do it, just click on this and make it on top. It will be on top. Okay, so this is layer, how you can manage your layer. One more thing is here, if you want to like select first or second layer, right, together or parallelly I can say, then what you can do, you just need to make the selection right like this and drag it wherever you want to drag. Okay, but if you are like, because there are so many cases when you will not be able to do that. Okay, like you will not be able to select like this, then and in that case what you can do, you just need to click on this, click on command. If you are having MacBook, if you are having Windows, then just click on control and then rectangle 2. Okay, this is something which will help you to make the selection parallelly. Okay, fine. So this is what I was saying about the layers, and we have deleted all the things, but okay, let it be here for now, and let's talk about the designing thing. Okay, here these are the basic features which you are going to use. For example, if I'm talking about this exposition, then see how it is working. Getting me? This is how you can design, or even you can also place your designs like this. But if you want to design in a way, like in a proper like frequency I can say, or in a proper line I can say, then what you can do, you can just use this. This will help you to like avoid the mistakes of displacing your graphics and all. Okay, and this is something which will help you to up down your design like a rectangle. Here you can see. Perfect. Okay, so this is something which will help you to rotate your design like this. Okay, and this is something which will help you to rotate your design at 90-degree. Getting me? This is what will help you to flip it. Cool. And this is how it will flip like this. Perfect. And this is something which will help you to give you the height or width. Here you can add the height or width of your design like this. Perfect. So this is layout, and layout simply means the its layout basically. Okay, don't like focus more, but yeah, I would suggest ki this is showing like it basically shows its layout, right? It's rectangles layout. So this is what it is. And if I'm talking about the appearance, appearance simply means like the level of opacity you are going to have. Okay, for example, if you want to reduce its opacity, then you can do it from here, and yeah, reduce it or whatever you want to do. If you want to make the curve of the rectangle, then you can do it from here like this. Okay, perfect. And if you want to make the same curve with here, then you can also do it here like this. Sorry, just click on this particular point and make it like this. Getting me? But mostly we are preferring from there, right, from here, not this one. This point is something which is good, but I'm not preferring it a lot. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can give the radius to your design. Okay, and yeah, the next thing is colors. Colors is something where you are just taking care of the colors, right? Like what types of colors you want to have here. For example, you want the green color, you took, and you can reduce the opacity here as well, right? So this is what like helps you to make your design really attractive and really an amazing look of that particular thing. Okay, so here you can paste out the codes. For example, here I'm just giving some color code and it turns into that. Okay, this is what this section is about. And on this page we are having few colors, so we can also choose it from here. Right here we are having some more features inside the colors. Basically it's known as gradient, right? For example, if you want to use some black and like red, then how will you use it? This is how you can use it, like gradient. I want 50% of red and 50% of, yeah, black. So this is how you can make your design as a gradient. And this is something which I'm gonna deep dive into it, and this is something which will help you a lot in order to make an amazing graphic or web design when it comes to funnel designing. Okay, so yeah, the third thing is about images and all, right? So here, for example, if I'm taking this image, then yeah, this is how it works, right? And if you want to flip it, then simply go here and flip. Cool. Getting me? So yeah, this was it. And here this is something which mostly we are not using, because video is something which we don't want in our design for now, right? So that's the reason we are not going there. And if I'm talking about the first one, then it's basically shows that it is going to help us to like select the solid colors, so we can use the solid colors from here. Okay, and one more thing, here you can increase or decrease the opacity, same, right? So here we are going to make it 100 so that it looks better. And the next thing we are going to taking care of is bahut humne like we have used a lot is this red color, so now it's time to use this one. And here we are going to add the border of it, right? So border known as stroke. So here we are going to take 4 of it, and we can even change the colors like this. Getting me? Just like this you can change the colors, and I'm gonna remove it. Here you can see that border has been applied, and if you want to make it centered inside, outside, you can do every single thing whatever you want. Here are some more things. If you want to dashed border, you can do it as well. You can increase the number and decrease the number of the dash, okay. And you can also do some more things here, right? When it comes to, like, dekh rahe ho, can you see this? Yeah, just have a look on it, how it looks like, okay. Yeah, so this is how it could look, okay. Just you just need to take care of these things. So yeah, this was about stroke, right? And a stroke simply means, I would say, yeah, one more thing is here. If you want only top a stroke, then you can use it. If you want all stroke, then you can make it on all, okay. And the next thing is I'm gonna talk about is here you can also having the color option same, gradient, right? Images, you can use whatever you want here. For example, if you want to use red, then you can use red, right? And it will look like red to black, getting me? So this is how it makes your design really good. So yeah, this was it about the stroke, and let's talk about the effects are something which plays an important role when it comes to designing, because here you will like use so many things, I can say, right? For example, here you can control the basically the number of the things, like how many, like what should be the actual number of the blur and spreading colors and all, you can control from here. And if I'm talking about the like type of effect, then you can use like you can add it from here. For example, right now what I have did, I have chosen the inner shadow. Inner shadow means it will be inside the design, okay. So let me show you, okay. Okay, can you see how this color is looking, getting me? So this is how basically it works, okay. And yeah, this is how it looks like inner shadow. And if I'm gonna like change it to drop shadow, then drop shadow would be something which looks like this. We just need to decrease the opacity here, spreading, and this one as well, 25. Then this is how it looks like, and this is something different from this. So basically we have added the uh, drop shadow here, okay. And one more thing we are having here is let's talk about this. So basically we are having the next thing is layer blur. Layer blur is something which makes your layer completely blur, and this is something which will blow your mind. See, this is how it looks like. And if you want to set it at 500, then it looks like this. And this is something, what type of design we are like getting like crazy in our when it comes to web designing, okay, and graphic designing as well. So these are the things, I'm just telling you the basics, how these things can help you when it comes to design the things, okay. And if I'm talking about the layer background, then layer background is something, let me show you, uh, yeah. So layer background is something which will which will be visible when we are having a really perfect color. See, see, this is actually we can create a glass type of effect by creating this layer designing layer background, okay. Background blur is something which helps us to create a layer design, okay, like it just looks like a glass, right? And a glass design we can say here, and this is how it looks like. Basically this is known as your background blur, okay. And the next thing which we are going to talk about is, okay, just give me a moment. Okay. The next thing which we are going to talk about is that is export. Export simply means you just, if you want to explore this particular thing, you can explore it. right? How? If you want to explore both of them, then what you need to do is you just need to like group how we can group. If you're having a MacBook, then command plus G, and if you're having a Windows, then what you can do, you just need to click on control plus G. Okay, so here in my case I'm having the MacBook, then I'm gonna click the command plus G, and we have made it export. If you want to make the quality higher or size of the file higher, then you can choose any of them, but for now I'm using 1x, and the format you can also choose. I have like made it at PNG. Okay, so here I got my design perfect. So this is how we are basically doing the things and exporting the things in Figma. And I hope you got so many clarity about Figma, like basics of Figma basically you learned, and now you are ready to start designing something something incredible on the Figma. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you is here this color, you can see you can even manage this as well. Okay, for example, like this, if you want to make the dark theme, right, dark mode on karna chahte ho, you can even do it, right? But for now that was really fine, so I'm gonna save it as well. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, anything regarding to Figma, then let me know in the comment section, or you can also DM me on the Instagram so that I can directly show your queries and response it like crazy. Okay, and the like at the same time I can say. So you can also do that on Instagram, so just make a DM to me, and my handles are there, or might be it's 100% in the description. So just go over there and follow me on all the social media platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe me on YouTube so that you can get such videos like crazy, and you can learn or upgrade yourself in terms of design. So thank you so much for watching the entire video, and see you in the next video where we are going to learn something amazing, something cool, and something let's create it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. See you.